So let us talk about what is Leaders Path and why is Leaders Path. We live in a world where information has become unlimited. You can learn almost anything online today. There are courses, tutorials, videos, certifications, platforms everywhere. But over the years, we've realized something very important. While information is everywhere, real industry wisdom is still incredibly rare. We are living in the most connected learning era in history. Knowledge is available instantly. But despite all this access, organizations across industries still struggle to find people who are truly industry ready. That tells us something very important. Access to information alone is not enough. There is a growing gap between what traditional education delivers and what modern industry actually expects. Education often focuses on concepts, exams, and theory, but real world demands decision making, adaptability, business understanding, communication, execution, and practical judgment. All of us at Leaders Path come from industry backgrounds. Between us, we've spent decades working across leadership, operations, supply chain, sustainability, consulting, and strategic business functions. As part of our careers, we regularly interacted with colleges, universities, young professionals, and recruitment ecosystems. We participated in panel discussions, mentoring sessions, hiring conversations, and academic collaborations. And everywhere we went, we kept seeing the same thing. We've met incredibly capable young people everywhere. Intelligent, hardworking, ambitious, curious, but many of them lacked something critical: exposure. Exposure to how the real industry actually works, exposure to professional environments, exposure to decision making. Students from elite institutions or major cities often had opportunities for internships, mentorship, industry visits, networking, and corporate exposure. But many equally talented learners from Tier 2 and Tier 3 ecosystems never had the same opportunities. Not because they lacked capability, but because they lacked access to the right environment and networks. And the transition is becoming harder every year. Today's workforce is shaped by AI, automation, sustainability, global complexity, digital transformation, and rapidly evolving expectations. Industry 4.0 is fast, demanding, and highly competitive. Many young professionals enter this environment without ever being prepared for it. At some point, we realized that this gap would not solve itself. And we asked ourselves a simple question: what if industry leaders could directly share their real world knowledge with learners? Not just academic concepts, but actual lived experience. That idea became the foundation of Leaders Path. We reached out to professionals we trusted, people we had worked with over years, industry leaders, executives, entrepreneurs, professors with business experience, mentors from institutions like IITs, IIMs, global business schools from UK and USA, leaders who understood both academia and industry realities, and we invited them to convert their years of experience into meaningful learning. The internet already has information. YouTube has information, universities have information, traditional learning platforms have information, but what's much harder to access is judgment, perspective, business thinking, practical decision making, and execution experience. Every learning pod inside Leaders Path combines practical insight, real world cases, business context, leadership thinking, and industry execution realities. So learners do not just memorize concepts, they understand how these concepts function inside real organizations. Our mentors include vice presidents from global organizations, business leaders, professors with industry backgrounds, entrepreneurs, consultants, and professionals actively working in high performance environments. These are not just teachers, they are practitioners, people who understand the realities behind the theory, and that is how you will learn at Leaders Path. We have built experiences around learning itself. We have live academic sessions, industry connect opportunities, decision simulations, internship support, industry visits, capstone projects, resume guidance, placement preparation, because confidence is built through exposure and interaction, not memorization. Our model is designed around progression. First, learners understand the concepts, then they apply them, then they interact with professionals and real world situations, and over time, they begin developing confidence, judgment, and industry thinking. We chose domains where transformation is already happening at scale. Sustainability, supply chain, artificial intelligence, these are not niche subjects anymore. They are becoming core business capabilities for the future. The world changes too quickly for static learning. People need flexible, focused, practical learning experiences that evolve with industry itself. That is why our programs are designed as short, high impact learning pods built around real relevance. At its core, Leaders Path is not really about certificates. It is about helping learners become more capable, more adaptable, more confident, and more prepared for the realities of modern careers. It is about helping people transition from academic thinking into industry thinking. We believe meaningful industry exposure should not be limited to a small group of institutions or networks. We believe learners everywhere deserve access to mentorship, practical insight, real world exposure, and future ready learning. That belief is the reason Leaders Path exists. The future of work will reward people who can continuously learn, adapt, and evolve. And the ability to bridge knowledge with practical understanding will become one of the most valuable skill sets of all. Leaders Path was built to help you move beyond information, move towards confidence, towards clarity, towards exposure, and meaningful career readiness. If you're inspired and want to explore our courses in detail, please visit our website at www.leaderspath.ai. A big thank you from all of us at Leaders Path.